We're doing hot glue today. Here's my hot glue gun. Here's a little tab, kind of like a chess piece. I'm gonna put some glue on there, get it in. Actually, let me show you guys. Check it out. Let that set up. And we're live. Check this out. Sometimes you gotta get creative. I had a creative fulcrum right here. Sometimes you gotta get all right, this is getting at the final stage. I'm just doing some tap downing on it and just kind of knocking it back down. Let me get that right. Knocking it back down, just trying to make it flat as I can, kind of playing with the metal. I'm pushing out, I'm pushing in, pushing out, pushing in, just trying to make it nice and flat as I can. It's a tough one, and it's really tough just because it's curved, so now I got to duplicate that hole. I underestimated this one. This one was a lot tougher than I thought, just because of the angle, man. It was tough. But let me see if I can give you a run through so you could see. Let me flip the camera around. There's some imperfections in the paint. There's some good deep scratches, but they just wanted the metal back to its original shape. Okay, here you go. Try to run this light through it so you can see. Dent was this whole area here. A little bit of a flat spot, but see that imperfection?